Right? So today naman, we'll discuss about overhead variance, no? Yung tinatawag nating one-way, two-way, three-way, four-way, no? So yung iba natatakot mag-compute no ng one-way, two-way, three-way, four-way, no? Alam nyo ba, madali lang naman siya, no? As long as kabisado nyo kung paano, no? Sa pag-compute lang, no? One-way, yung ating two-way, yung ating three-way, at yung ating four-way. Sige. But before that, no, gawin muna natin yung paano mag-compute ng one-way, two-way, three-way, four-way. Ano yung first step mo? Class, lagay mo muna sa first step, no? Yung ating actual overhead. You put first your actual overhead. Alam nyo ba? Always given yan, no? Yung ating variable overhead, saka your fixed overhead. Again, always given po yan. Okay? Always given yan. That would be your total overhead. Okay. Ano po yung second step? Second step, lagay mo sa pinaka-right side yung tinatawag nating applied overhead. Okay? Your applied overhead. Ito yung actual, di ba? Okay, first step, second step. Class, lagay mo dito yung predetermined overhead rate. Just multiply it by your standard hours. Okay, alam niyo ba, may mga time, hindi pa given ang standard hours. Okay. Paano pa compute ng predetermined overhead rate? That would be your variable cost per unit plus fixed cost per unit. Just multiply it by, paano pag hindi given yung standard hours? Okay. Lagay mo class is the actual unit produce. Just multiply it by your required hours. Yan lang po yung formula niya. No? So, actual unit produced times your required hours. Okay, yan po yung formula ha. Okay? So, yung actual units times required hours. Alam niyo ba class, anong tawag dito? Actual overhead, okay, minus your applied overhead. Ang tawag po dyan ay total overhead variance. Ito po yung tinatawag nating one way. Okay. Yan po yung one way. Okay. Okay. Class, lagay mo sa gitna yung ating budgeted overhead. Lagay mo sa right side yung ating at standard hours. Class, how do you compute for budgeted overhead at standard hours? That would be your variable cost per unit to be multiplied by, di ba, based on standard hours times standard hours plus your budgeted fixed cost. Yan po yung formula ha. Variable cost per unit to be multiplied by standard hours plus budgeted fixed cost. Plus, yung actual overhead natin minus budgeted overhead based on standard hours. Ano po ang tawag niyan? Yan po yung two-way na tinatawag natin na controllable, okay, variance. By the way, ito pala ang laging when you compare for this variance, lagi pong tama yung nasa right side. Okay? Or, tinatawag din to class na budget variance. Okay. Class, anong tawag naman dito? Budgeted overhead based on standard hours minus applied overhead. Ito po yung volume variance na tinatawag natin. Bakit yan ay two-way? Controllable budget or volume variance? Yan po ay two-way. Dahan yan ha. To be fair, dapat step number 4, lagay mo dito yung actual hours. Kung may standard, may actual hours din. So, how do we compute for actual hours? Okay? is gonna be variable cost per unit to be multiplied by actual hours. Actual po to ha. Actual hours. Okay? Plus budgeted fixed cost. Actual yan ha. Okay. Ano ba ang tawag dito, class? Actual overhead minus budgeted overhead based on actual hours. Ang tawag po dyan ay spending variance. Okay. O, ito naman dalawa. Anong tawag dito? Budgeted overhead based on actual minus budgeted based on standard. Ito po ay tinatawag nating efficiency variance. O, class, tinan nyo. May change ba? O, kaya two-way man yan or three-way man yan, still, ito ay volume variance. Kaya, class, sa mga exam natin, no, makikita ko dito kung sino yung nakachamba. Pag ang amount ay iba-iba sa volume, nako, nagchamba-chamba lang to. Hindi niya alam kung paano kino-compute. Bakit three-way? Spending, efficiency, volume. Ito po ay three-way. Okay. Doon tayo sa panghuli, no? Yung tinatawag nating four-way. Okay. Alam niyo ba, class, ang spending ay para yan kay variable at para po yan kay fixed. Alam niyo ba, ang efficiency para yan kay variable lang. Alam niyo ba, ang volume para yan kay fixed. Ibig sabihin, variable, efficiency. Fixed volume. Variable, spending. Fixed spending. Kaya four-way yan. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I will explain, don't worry. Okay. Walang problema sa spending. Para yan kay variable and fixed. Because of the formula. Yung efficiency, para yan kay variable. I'll prove. How do we compute, class, for efficiency variance? Di ba itong dalawa? No? Ano nga yung formula ng efficiency? Based doon sa ating formula. Di ba ang formula niya ay budgeted overhead based on actual, which is the variable cost per unit. Yung kanina ha, times actual hours. Ito class, itong dalawa. Okay? So, variable cost per unit times actual hours plus budgeted fixed cost. I'll put na lang equal sign. Diba? Kanina minus yan, no? Para makita nyo yung difference. Variable cost per unit times standard hours plus budgeted fixed cost. So, class, diba? Ito, lagay mo sa kabila. Ito, lagay mo sa kabila. Ito naman, lagay mo sa kabila, diba? Para, okay. Variable cost per unit times actual hours. Okay? O, plus, ito ay plus. Lagay mo sa kabila, minus na yan. No? Variable cost per unit times standard hours. Again, sa ito galing? Kaninang formula. Ito, itong dalawa. Okay? Yan. Is equal to budgeted fixed cost. Yung kabila, minus budgeted fixed cost. Mawawala lang yung budgeted fixed cost. Ano matitira? Only the variable cost per unit times actual hours minus variable cost per unit times standard hours. Kaya ang efficiency ay para po kay variable. Nawala yung fixed. Yung volume naman ay para yan kay fixed. Using the formula kanina, volume. Ano yung formula again? Ito naman dalawa, class. Ito dalawa. Okay? So, paano yung class? You have your variable cost per unit times your standard hours plus budgeted fixed cost is equal to variable cost per unit times standard hours plus fixed cost per unit times standard hours. Yung kanina, class, na formula ha. O, class, kabila, lagay mo sa kabila. Okay. O, yun na muna ang standard. Yun na muna ang budgeted fixed cost. Budgeted fixed cost, ito, class, ay magiging negative minus fixed cost per unit times standard hours. O, ito naman, lagay mo sa kabila is equal to budgeted fixed cost. Ito naman. Ito pala. Variable cost per unit times standard hours. O, ito, wala na. Minus na to class. Ito, minus to plus. So, mawawala na yung variable cost per unit. Kaya, ang volume ay para kay fixed. Ito yung formula natin. Yun naman, efficiency para kay volume. Para kay variable, not volume. Okay? Kaya tama po ito, no? Efficiency ay para kay variable efficiency, ang volume naman para kay fixed volume. Okay? Class, kung magkano yung na-compute mo dito, same yan dito. Same na same yan. Okay? Kaya sa board exam, no? Kung magkano, bawa, ito ay 1,000, 1,000 rin to. Same na same yan. Okay? Mamaya, I'll prove it. So, bakit 4-way? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kaya ito po ay tinatawag na 4-way. So, hopefully class, naintindihan ako, ha? Sa pag-compute, no, ng ating 1-way, 2-way, 3-way, and 4-way. Sige. But before that, we will answer na, no? I'll prove na tama po ito, ha? Okay. So, with this, halimbawa, Balmediano Company, okay? Okay, so hopefully nababasa nyo. Okay, sige, yan natin kasi nagkaano lang siya, no? Okay, so, yan. So, Balmediano Company, ito nga. Alright, so, yung last part kasi, no? So, Balmediano Company uses standard costing system for the process and applies overhead based on direct labor hours. The following information is available for August when Balmediano made 4.5. Direct labor hours per unit is 250. Importante yan mamaya. Okay? Then, we have our variable overhead, 1.75, fixed overhead per direct labor hours of 3.10, budgeted overhead of 21,875, budgeted fixed overhead of 38,750, then actual direct labor hours of 10,000, variable overhead of 26,250, and the fixed overhead of 38. Okay. So, we will solve na, ha? So, ito yung kanina, ha? Okay. So, with this, unang-una, number 29, what is the one-way variance? So, ibig sabihin, how do we compute for one-way variance? Of course, yung actual. Okay? So, we go first with our actual overhead. So, magkano ba yung actual overhead natin, no? So, actual overhead. Of course, last, nandito yung variable saka fixed. Okay, magkano yung variable and fixed natin? Okay? So, given to class, di ba ito yun? Fixed and vol, ito. Given, no? Ito class, yung dalawa. So, ibig sabihin, variable mo ay 26,250 saka fixed mo na 38,000. So, magkano yung class? Yan na po yung ating total actual, no? So, 26,250 plus 38,000. So, yan po ay 64,250 ba? Okay, yes. So, you have here 64,250. Okay. Lagay mo naman sa pinaka-right side mo yung ating applied overhead. Okay. Paano nga yung applied overhead? Yung predetermined overhead rate mo times standard hours. Okay, magkano mo na yung overhead rate muna? Given ba? I think so. Ito dalawa, no? So you have here 1.75 plus 3.10. So to be multiplied, ilan ba to? 5, 8, 4.85, no? Okay. Tama, no? To be multiplied by standard hours. Given ba ang standard hours in the first place? I think hindi pa given. Okay? Hindi pa given, no? Pero ang given ay yung ating units. Di ba itong units? 4,500. Okay? So, 4,500. So, you have here, 4,500. Magkano naman yung required? Di ba ang required ay 250? Ito. Di-multiply mo siya ng 250. So, magkano yung oras mo? Yan. So, yun yung ating standard hours, ha? Okay. So, ano natin? Calculate natin through our calculator. Okay? So, you have 4,500 times 250. 11,250 po ito. So, 4.85 times 11,250. Yan po yung ating applied overhead. So, ilan po ito? Times 4.85. Ito po ba ay 54,562.50? Yes. So, yan po yung applied overhead natin. Okay. So, yan po yung ating applied overhead. Ibig sabihin, yung ating actual plus yung ating applied overhead, okay? Ano pang tawag doon? So, yan po yung ating class, lahat po yan ay given, ha? So, lahat po yan ay given. Nilagay lang po natin, no? So, 64,250 minus 54,562.50. Class, ito po yung laging tama. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ito po ay 9687.50. Laging tama to, mas malaki to. So, ibig sabihin, unfavorable siya. Overhead variance. Using the one way. Okay? Kaya dito, class, ang answer po dito sa number 29 is 9687.50. 9687.50, which is letter C. Okay, so hopefully class, ha, naintindihan ako, ha. 9687.50. So yan po yung ating one-way variance. Okay, next one. Next one naman, ang sabi dito, number 30, no? So number 30, what is the controllable variance? Okay, paano kaya controllable variance, class? As discussed kanina, lagay mo sa gitna yung ating budgeted overhead. Okay? O, lagay mo dito ay at standard hours. Di ba given yung variable cost ito? Variable cost po ito. Ito ay fixed cost. So, in terms of the variable cost, okay, variable cost per unit times standard hours. Hindi pa given yung budgeted fixed cost. Kaya lang, tingnan natin kung nandito na. Ito na. Ito. Di ba? Fixed cost budgeted is 38,750. So, fixed cost per unit mo ay 1.75 times standard hours mo na 11,250 plus budgeted fixed cost mo na 38,750. So, magkano po yan? Okay? Ito po ba ay 58,000? Yes. 58,437.50. Okay. 50, tayo natin, ha. 58,437. Let's see. Parang may mali dyan. Anyway, sige. Let's see, ha. 1.75 to be multiplied by 11,250 to be added 38,750. 58,4, tama naman. Okay. So, class, yung actual overhead mo plus budgeted overhead based on actual hours. Pala ito yung mali. Tingnan natin, ha. 4.85 times 11,250. 54,500. Tama naman. Okay. Less 64,250. Tama, no? Okay, tama. Okay. So, class, ito na yung number 30. What is the controllable variance? Di ba ito yung dalawa yon? Actual overhead minus at standard hours. Minus mo na lang yung dalawa. Okay? So, ito po ay controllable variance. So, ito po ay controllable variance. So, ano yung magkano? This is 5812.50. Laging tama to, mas malaki to. E di unfavorable to. So, number 30, the answer po ay letter A. Okay, very good. Number 31, what is the non-controllable variance? Eh, di ba ito lang naman yun? Non-controllable or volume yun, sa two-way. Ito po ay one-way ticket. One-way ticket. Ito ay two-way. Just minus the 2, no? 58,437 minus 54,562.50. Ito po ay volume variance. Ito po ay at 3875 unfavorable. So, 3875 unfavorable. Number 31, the answer po ay mas malaki ito, and unfavorable to. Kasi ito yung should be. So, number 31, the answer po ay 3875 unfavorable. O class, sabi ko nga sa inyo, 3-way, 4-way, ito na yung answer mo. O, huwag ka na magtsamba-tsamba. Mamaya, I'll explain. Same pa rin yan na 3875. Okay. Number 32, what is the 3-way variance? What is the spending variance in a 3-way variance? So, di ba, spending ay ito lang yung dalawa. No? So, ito class ay at actual hours naman. No? Kanina ay at standard hours. Variable cost per unit times actual hours plus budgeted fixed cost, di ba? E di 1.75 to given times, okay, actual hours. Magkano ba actual hours? Di ba ito, 10,000. Okay, given times 10. O class, lahat para niya given. Lalagay mo na lang. Yes. Plus, budgeted fixed cost mo na, 38,750. So, magkano po yan? Ito po ba ay 56,250? Yes. 56,250. Okay? So, 1.75 times 10,000 times 38,750. Eh, di ba class? Ito na yung ating spending. Yes. Spending variance. Should be ito. And unfavorable na naman. So, spending variance natin ay 8,000. Tama? Yes. 8,000 unfavorable. Ito naman, okay. So, 8,000 unfavorable. That would be for number 32, letter C. 33, what is the efficiency? Diba itong dalawa lang naman yan? Efficiency itong dalawa. Okay? That would be your efficiency variance. Should be ito ay favorable na, no? Okay. So, magkano yung efficiency? It is ano ba? 2187.50 favorable. Yes. Okay. Again just minus the 2. 2187.50 favorable. 2187.50 favorable. Volume na naman. Tignan mo yung volume. Kung magkano na kumibili ito kasi wala na. Ito na. Just copy lang, class. No? In terms of the volume, just copy. 3875 unfavorable. That would be your 3-way. Why 3-way? 1, 2, and 3. Okay? 4-way. Ano kayang 4-way? Spending para yan kay variable spending. Just separate lang the two. Ito lang, 26,250 minus ito. Diba variable ito yung fixed? Minus 1.75 times 10K. Ganun lang. Ano kadali? In terms of the variable spending. By the way, ano bang tanong sa number 34? 34, 3875, diba? Unfavorable. See. 35 tayo. What is the variable? Variable overhead spending. So, 35, variable overhead spending. So, ito ay 26,250. Ito naman ay, malamang ito ay 17,500. Diba? So, 26,250 minus 17,500. Unfavorable na naman. which is at 8750 unfavorable. Variable spending, 8750 unfavorable. Letter C po yan, ha? Letter C ang answer. Then, four-way variance, efficiency naman. O, class. In number 36, what is the variable efficiency? Alam niyo ba, class, kung magkano nakuha mo dito, yan na yun. Variable spending, variable efficiency. Class, kung magkano nandito, yan na yun. Huwag na makompute, no? O, sige na, test pa rin natin. Ano yung formula? Variable, variable. E di 1.75 times 10K minus 1.75 times 11,250. O, sigurado class, 2187.50 yan. Sa bahay, kayo na bahala, no? 2187.50, favorable. 36 po ay letter C. Okay. Next one, number 37. What is the four-way variance? What is the fixed overhead spending? Ito tayo sa fixed spending naman. Fixed spending. That would be, separate lang, 38,000 minus ito, 38,750. Should be ito, di ba? O, di 750, favorable. Okay? To test, 750 minus 750, dapat 8,000 favorable to. Tama, di ba? So, the answer for this ay 750 favorable. 37 po ay letter dog. O, last one tayo, class. O, wag na. Fixed volume plus, kung magkano dito, yun na yun. 3,875. Wag na mag-compute. O, kaya lang, syempre, to prove, 38,750 minus 3.10 times 11,250. Sigurado class, 3,875 po yan. And that would be your four-way. Yan. So, 3,875 unfavorable. That would be for letter dog. Okay? So, hopefully class, naintindihan po ako, no? Sa pag-compute ng overhead variance. So, sana ito lang class. Kabisado mo lang to, you can be able to compute na. Alright? Particularly for your overhead variance. So, hopefully class, naintindihan ako. And if you want more, just message me and follow my YouTube channel, Master Accounting, for more videos. YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, no? And Instagram. So again, thank you and see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.